All right, here is the Sony HT-SC40 soundbar. It's kind of a budget soundbar, but we're going to go ahead and give this guy a listen. But before we do, let's take a look at what this looks like. This is the subwoofer, and this is what the grill looks like. It's got the Sony branding on top. Little LED screen right there. There's the buttons, and that's what it looks like on the side profile. All right, let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Okay, so that gives you a little bit of sound test. I was kind of hoping that they would give us a home theater sound test instead of just music, but that gives you a little bit of an idea of what to expect with this sound bar.